Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 104. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Peiyu and Song. Since the two of them are already talking about the fuss, well, right now, it seems that the scene has become awkward. They both keep silence. Well, as if, right now, suddenly, she was laughing hard. Well, probably because of the awkwardness. Right now, she suddenly want to tease Peiyu. Well, she was really a sweet girl. Even before, always took care of Peiyu. That's why right now, Peiyu, she really loved her so much. Given the situations of up and downs, Song was always there for her. Well, stop laughing, Peiyu said to her. Right now, Peiyu want to tell her that I'm not cold to you before. Just, well, because of the unexpected situation when she was young, never got anything other than mom. That's why it's difficult for her to be with someone before. People think that she's been cold to anyone. I don't know if you are on the whim or have a plan, so I don't know how to deal with it. Well, time has given us the answer. Definitely Feiyu is right. Song, right now, I wasn't before, but now, it's really a flan. Oh, it seems that relationship is really getting better. Song, right now, she really understands Peiyu. She bigger one, and yours forever. Well, what a sweet comment she has. She moved closer and she really kissed Peiyu. Peiyu, she kissed her back. Well, these two really love each other. But after said so many sweet things, two of them suddenly break off. Said, you're so greasy and greasy. In the future, I will have less sensational moments. I can stand it myself. You said it is a bit. But they really sweet to each other. Peiyu hugs her and said, but I'm still very happy to hear you say that. Well, of course, hearing this, Peiyu, she must really happy. And Song right now. Her heart is so hard to walk in. Now, the two of them are looking at each other and both shy to each other. They're both blushing because of the feelings, understanding right now. They really come into another world. Fortunately, I moved in 10 years ago. Well, it was really difficult back then, but it's worth the wait. 10 years. It's been too long, but finally, they've been rekindled. Back to Liu Bao Now company. She came back. Right now, she need to fix chaos in the company, especially the employees. Acting manager seems to be ignorant. Said the project in your hand has been delayed for so long. Are you not in a hurry at all? In a half month, Mr. Liu will come back. What do you know? Oh, this man. He was really arrogant and he was really too confident on herself. I think to do things to the heart of the leader. You are waiting for Miss Liu to come back. It seems that he is really tricky, trying to trick Miss Liu and the company. Suddenly, when Miss Liu came back, now he presented himself. Mr. Liu's self. Well, what could it be wrong? This man has no good for nothing, and Miss Liu Bao Now right now. She is facing this man, a really coward man. How did you came back early? Manager seems to be worried, although right now he is not suspicious. Miss Liu Bao Now, come back and deal with something, so come with me. Oh, it seems that she is really serious. Now, they really need to talk seriously. On the other hand, Miss Liu, she really got serious. Miss Liu, you're vague. You don't even know how uncooperative QM is. Especially the designer named Song Lai. Oh, how does this man know about the connection of Miss Liu Bao Now, QM? Right now, Lu Cheng, although you have not followed me for a long time, the project arranged for you is very good. So, Miss Liu trying to say to him, wants to know the true reason this man despises her, making story about lying. Mr. Liu Cheng said, this is what I should do. Oh, he smiled. It seems to be ridiculous. Right now, Miss Liu Fao now is looking at him. So Miss Liu said, "This time, have you done what you should do?" Well, it seems that Miss Liu was doubting him about this month's performance in the company. What? Do you suddenly want to work hard? Or are you too good at work? Miss Liu said to him. But it makes sense right now. Liu Cheng is trying to defend himself. Miss Liu, I think you should misunderstood. Did Miss Pei say something? You have to believe me. I do everything for you. Oh, that's been ridiculous. Say it, Miss Liu said to him. When do you know I like Pei Hao? Well, Miss Liu was right. How does this man know how to put the blame? Miss Pei used. Also right now, this man, he was really sweating hard. Maybe because he was lying too hard. He was lying and know to himself that all of these are lies. You know that I like Fei Hao, and you know that the relationship between Fei Hao and Song Lai then sell it with me. You don't need to leave so many companies that you have cooperated with. You have to find Fei Hao, isn't it? I am not as inferior as you think. Now Lu Cheng. Liu said, I will leave this project to Xiao Yi. You can go to the personal area to go through the resignation procedure. Now Lu Cheng said, Miss Liu. Well, he's trying to defend himself, but Miss Liu Vao now seems to be upset. When you are smart, you should think about this ending. Well, Miss Yu is definitely right. Now, he's been caught on the act because of her carelessness. He put herself into this. I will not give less for compensations that I should give, and you will only say that you are resigning so you can do it yourself. Oh, this is it. The man seems to be finished. Everything he has done is already ended today. Now, he left the room, furious and angry. Now, it makes sense to Liu Fao now that the last two employees that she's been through, it's really chaos for the company. Well, let's really hope she can find a good employee in the future. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you to the new member, Patricia and Nov. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!